This is Blanco. And Blanco is very, very nosy. She's very, very nosy. What you doing? What you doing? Can I come? What you reading? What you playing? She's really a beautiful, beautiful cat. And she is available for adoption at the Rifle Animal Shelter. Huh? Yes, you're a lovely, lovely cat.
See your face. You hold still long enough so we can see your face.
Look at her nose. She's got the cutest little nose. Come here, show him your nose. Show him how cute your nose is. You need a cute nose. She's a good girl. She's a very, 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 very good girl.